JPRO Professional is the #1 in-shop tool for diagnosing, troubleshooting, and repairing all makes and models of commercial vehicles. Technicians use JPRO to perform faster, more accurate repairs that improve profits for service centers and maximize uptime for fleet owners. JPRO is designed by technicians for technicians. Our ASE-certified technicians know how top-performing shops operate and put that knowledge into building a comprehensive and intuitive tool that gets the job done. Developed and supported in the United States, you can be confident you get a quality product and exceptional service. Keeping you informed is critical. When you first open JPRO Professional, you may notice a pop-up window offering news and insights. This window provides valuable information, such as highlighting new software updates or the latest tech tip articles to improve shop efficiency. Please note, an internet connection is required to access most resources in the News and Insights window. The toolbar at the top of the JPRO screen is where you can access many of JPRO's features. From here, you can connect to a vehicle, view vehicle history, locate the user's guide, and much more. Once connected to a vehicle, you will see that the toolbar expands to offer the options for diagnosing, troubleshooting, warranty submission, session recording, and so much more. Our complete series of online training videos takes an in-depth look at JPRO's features, from how to connect to a vehicle to key diagnostic and troubleshooting resources. Visit our website at the link on your screen to learn more about JPRO, access our training resources, or to find a JPRO professional in your area. For full details on all JPRO features, please refer to the JPRO User's Guide.